Library, make some noise. Yeah, shout out to all those wonderful artists, man, who gave their art on the stage. Anybody in here know God good? Is God good? Hold on now. Look, I can't complain. Salary checks got us flying on planes. Put on their necks till they crying in pain. I be the vet that they hide to say. This be the recipe, don't think no less of me. This is the tip. You ain't seen the rest of me, rest in complexity. Ain't no flex to me. Is these niggas really leaving a legacy? I can't tell. Game so sick, nigga, I can't spell. My lane so thick, nigga, I can't fail. So in best time, we gon' get her done. Straight to where it rains when we go wallow in the sun. Never seen a hater get $1 till it's done. Making sure he coming for all my niggas when it's done. Shit, might as well get your own bag. Worry about the quality of the look. I be like, what? They be like, who? I be like, him. They be like, true. I be like, fine. They be like, cool. I be like, damn. And they be like, chill, God good, nigga. Look, just chill, God good, nigga. Yeah. We gon' get it right. I be like, what? They be like, who? I be like, him. They be like, true. I be like, fine. They be like, cool. I be like, damn. And they be like, chill, God good, nigga. Yeah. Just chill, God good, nigga. We gon' get it right, tighter than this ever been. Challenge the drive, it's a must that we win. Can't be the guy that's a bust in the end. Mask my pride, discussing our ends. I promise to God that I trust who I am. And I trust in your plan, but I'm still a man. Carrying weight on my shoulders like will I be average or will I be grand? Feel like I can't take a stand. Feel like I can't be a man. Wondering if I got it in me to fight off this flesh and conquer the enemy. What did I do to deserve all this grace? Act like the truth and then lie in your face. I'm fucking and flashing and fleeing and flipping. Ducking and dashing, I'm driving and sipping. I had a job with some niggas who's wishing. I got a family, shit, I be tripping. Act like the one that's gonna do us something different. I touch it and leave, I'm scared of commitment. I be drained and don't go. Can't take pain that hurts slow. Pray in vain, I don't know. If it works, it don't show. Still I shine and you glow. Whoa, I got a village that say they be proud of me. Wonder how little they know they get out of me. Show up to church, I'm lying, I might. Can't even focus my mind on last night. Sex on my mind like it's all I can think. I shouldn't be driving, I just had a drink. Shouldn't be thriving, I fucked over blessings. Feel like a fool, I ain't learning my lessons. I don't know why I'm sitting in here confessing. Feeling real vulnerable, shit, I'm undressing my pain, past, hoping to last, hoping you listen. Wish that you laugh. But fuck it, the clock running down, get a bucket. The cops coming around, better tuck it. The flock will be right if you lucky. Laughing like Chucky. Head to the bank and deposit a bucket. She say I'm different than she want. Gotta refocus, can't head to the lake. I'm tired, nigga, I'ma take a break. So I be like, what? They be like, I be like him. They be like, what? I be like, fine. They be like, I be like, damn. And they be like, shit, not good, nigga. Hey, shit, not good, nigga. Hey, we gonna get it right. Man, make some noise, sound liberal. Y'all live.